Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be talking about this hair that I have in right now. I got this from Aliexpress and it was about $105. It was really cheap, and I looked through the reviews to see what other people were saying about the hair before I bought it, and it looked really good on a lot of people, and so I decided to buy it. And I had to do a lot of customization to this wig. You know, wigs are a lot of work if you want them to look really natural. This is the first time I've ever worn a wig, so I'm not 100% good at it, but I did the best that I could, and I'm gonna keep perfecting. The wig came in this box with some instructions and a hairnet. It was tied in a hairnet, and it came in like a bag that you can store it in, like a plastic bag with like a zipper on top. I think the box is really nice. It just came a little bit mashed up because of it going through the mail. And I think the one I got was the Elva wig in this one in 18 inches. And yeah, so but if you want to see how I got it to look like this and how I got it to lay down, then keep on watching. So the first thing I did was take the hair in the bag, and it was nice and soft, but it did have that processed hair smell, which still today it has, but I just keep washing it. The more you wash it, the less the smell is. And you can see like it comes with some clips in the hair and then the lace at the front. Okay, so I'm going to bleach the knots now, which is important with any lace front wig that you have, so that the hair looks natural and you won't have these black spots in the lace. I made a big mistake because my mixture was not thick enough. Even if you think it's too thick, add a little bit more powder, because this is going to cause you a lot of stress. So mine was too thin and it seeps on the roots of the hair and bleach that. But I'm gonna show you how I fix that. Okay, so the next thing that I had to do was tone the lace. And to do this, I took some blue food coloring and some white conditioner, and I mixed those together and put it on the lace and left it for a few hours. And this worked really well because I couldn't find purple shampoo. Because my bleach was runny, I had to re-dye the roots of the hair so that they didn't look orange. And I used this Revlon Color Silk dye in brownish black. And this, I had to use a old mascara wand, wash the mascara off, and put the dye onto the roots of the hair very carefully so that it doesn't get onto the lace. Now here you see me blow drying the hair. Usually I let it air dry, but I wanted to blow dry it so that it can be more straight. So this is the hair blow dried, is nice and thick, and it needs to be plucked. So this is what I'm doing in this clip, and I'm going to put some tutorials in the down bar for you to help you pluck your lace that helped me. So I'm just straightening in the hair right now because it was really poofy after I blow dried it, and the hair straightens really well. A little bit about the hair, it does tangle a little bit if you move around a lot, but it's not like a lot of tangling. It's just, it doesn't look as smooth if you don't keep still. So a little bit about this hair, it does tangle a little bit and it does shed quite a bit, but I expect that for any type of hair, especially for this price. And the tangle is only like a little bit of, it's not as smooth as when you first straighten it. And so here I am showing you my braids. I'm not the very best braider. In fact, I don't braid at all. So this was really rough. But if your braids are thinner than mine, then your hair is going to lay much flatter than mine. But I still like the way my hair turned out. So I'm taking my wig cap and I'm putting it right on the edge of my hairline. And my hairline comes down pretty far on my forehead on the sides. So this was kind of like trouble for me. But I'm just spraying the free spray, and you want your cap to be on the edge of your own edges. So I'm spraying that, and when it's dry, I'm taking my foundation and putting it all over the cap, all over the front of the cap. Next, I'm taking a thin layer of Got2b glue on the edge of the cap as well, and make sure that the layer is really thin. And before it dries, you want to put the wig on.
So make sure you put the edge of the lace right where the edge of the cap, the wig cap is, and make sure you push down the lace into the glue so that it stays put. And once you do this, this will not move throughout the day. After the wig is on, I took some concealer that matches my skin color because the cap was a little still too light. So I took a really brown, dark concealer and I put it on the roots. And I ended up taking some eyeliner and filling in the hair, the gaps, some black eyeliner, filling in the gaps. I didn't film this, but if you see some spaces on the wig, you can fill them in with eyeliner so that it looks more natural, or you want to thin the part. So yeah, and this is me just playing in the hair. I really liked how it turned out because this was the first time I ever did a wig, and I'm not good at baby hairs, but I'm gonna be trying them in the future. And if I find a good method for them, then I will film another video for the baby hairs. But for now, I'm not gonna have any baby hairs. I'm just gonna wear the wig as is. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see the makeup tutorial that I have in the beginning of the video, then that's going to be coming out soon. So subscribe to my channel so that you can see that when that comes out. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.